Quit going to college. Quit your job. You want a mansion, you want a Lambo, you want to travel around the world with your friends and have fun. You're not going to get those by working a job. You don't need a degree to do any of those things. We've been fed such sinister little lies by our family, by our teachers, by our friends, by the media that have told us we need a degree or we need a job to travel the world or to be rich. None of those things are real. Now, my story, I tried 10 different jobs. I worked 10 different jobs, and none of them made me any richer. None of them made me any closer to becoming successful than the last one did. Now, what you need to understand is there's one thing that will make you rich. One thing that will make you rich. Now, you can click the link to register for a free training that I'm putting on today where I will show you what you need to learn about how to make money. I'm sitting here in front of lots of money. You need to lick your fingers to get it out. But check this out. This is the amount of money that I make every single day online. But what you need to know is that it's not just me doing it. Here's my student, Tyler Ellison. Hi, John, just thought I'd show you what your training enabled me to do. He made over $1.4 million last year applying the same trainings that I'm going to be teaching you in this training right now. He's a student of mine. Here's another student of mine, Brian Pfeiffer. He used to be a limo driver in Chicago. And here, check out his results. He's a multi-millionaire now, earning $8,000 a day, $9,000 a day. $3,000 to $5,000 of that is profit every single day. Another student of mine used to be a customer service rep, Ronnie Sandlin, 7 figures, now earns over $1 million a year. You don't need a degree to make money. You don't need a job to make money and live large. What you need to do is you need to understand the secrets of wealth. Now, I'll be going over this one tip, this one hack that you can use to make real money online, but you must register for the training. Now, there should be a link above or below this video where you can register and understand and unlock the secrets of wealth for yourself, but you're not going to learn them at school, and you're not going to learn them on the job. Make a decision right now and figure out how to make money. Register for the training, and I will see you on this free training I'm putting on. I usually charge $10,000 an hour for my time. $10,000 an hour, but I'm giving you 2 hours of my time. I'll be live. I'll be answering questions. This isn't one of those robot things. You get 2 hours of my time for free, and I'll be showing you what I know and helping you get ahead. So let's get it.